Hello students, welcome to the online teaching learning process of subject microprocessors. So from today we are going to start our second unit, that is art of assembly language programming. In this unit we will study about how to write an assembly language program using different assembly language instructions and different procedures that are followed during writing a assembly language program. So topic first is program development steps involved in assembly language programming. That is, in this topic we will study how to develop an assembly language program using some predefined steps. So the learning outcome includes to study about the different program development steps while writing a assembly language program. In the program development steps we have to also study about the what is algorithm and what is flowchart, how to develop a algorithm and how to draw a flowchart. POs mapped are PO1, PO4, PO6 and PO7. So coming to program development steps, whenever we need to write any assembly language program, first of the step is to define the problem, that is what actually the problem is. So the different steps are given. First step is to define the problem. The first step in writing the assembly language program is to think very carefully about the problem that the program must solve. Now, what is the problem? How to define a problem? Suppose we have to perform addition of two numbers. So, what is the problem here? How to define a problem? That is, we have to perform the addition of two numbers. Similarly, if a program is there to arrange the numbers in ascending order, so here the problem definition will be arranging the numbers in ascending order. So that step is called as defining a problem. That means to actually specify what the real problem is which is to be solved. Algorithm, as you all know, algorithm is the step by step procedure to solve a problem. Next is flowchart. Flowchart is the graphical representation of the algorithm. Fourth step is initialization checklist. Initialization checklist involves the number of variables which will be used, the number of constants, the number of registers which will be used in developing an assembly language program. Fifth step is the most important step, that is choosing appropriate instruction, choosing the correct instructions for writing an assembly language program. And the last step is convert the algorithm to the assembly language program. Whatever the algorithm we have decided or we have written in the second step, we have to go according to the algorithm and write the necessary steps according to the algorithm. So here if we consider an example of a problem, that is to add two numbers, so here first step is problem definition. So what is the problem is to add the two numbers. Second step, that is algorithm, how we will write the step by step procedure. So the first step in the algorithm will be take first number, second step will be take second number, third step will be add first number with the second number, and fourth step will be get the result. So this will be the algorithm. With the help of flowchart we can represent it with various symbols. Next, for choosing the correct assembly language instruction, we will have to use the correct assembly language program instruction. So these are the different program development steps which we will use while developing an assembly language program. Now coming to what is algorithm. Algorithm is nothing but the stepwise process to build a program. Algorithm is a sequence of operation performed by a program, can be specified as a step called as algorithm. So step by step procedure of writing any program is called as algorithm. And what is flowchart? Flowchart is the graphical representation of algorithm. So the different flowchart symbols we use to draw a flowchart. For process we use rectangle. For input output operation we use parallelogram. Ellipse is used for termination, decision making, then subroutine, and then connectors. Similarly, arrows are used to draw a flowchart. So the important MSBT related questions here are: list the different program development steps. So what are the program development steps? Problem definition, then algorithm, flowchart, initialization of checklist, then choosing the correct assembly language program, and then converting the assembly language program into the assembly language compiler. Explain the steps involved. So we have learned today about the different program development steps in algorithm, and also what is algorithm and flowchart. So thanks for watching the video. In the next part we will see about the different assembly language programming tools which are used to develop an assembly language program.